cookies. Here we are at Number Corner. This big thing right here is your calendar. A calendar lets us know the days of the week, what day it actually is, and what month it is. And our month is September. September starts with the S sound made by the letter S. We have the days of the week. And I have a quick song for you to learn about the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now, on the calendar, a month can have 30 days, 31 days, and we have 1 month that only has 28 days. So we are going to turn over our first calendar piece for today. I'm going to bring it a little closer here. Do you know what shape that is? It's a circle. You're right. A circle is round, it's flat, and it doesn't have any sides. You'll also notice over here, we have the number 1. That's because today is the very first day of the month. It is September 1st, 2020. You'll also notice it is a large circle and it is blue. So on our calendar, we have special days marked off. Next Monday is Labor Day, and that is a holiday, so we don't have any school. Teachers aren't even here. Next Friday is Patriot Day. Wear your red, white, and blue. Then we have our first birthday of the month, Mackenzie. We have Constitution Day. The first official day of fall is September 21st. And on the 25th, we don't have any school. Now, what shape was this again on our calendar piece? That's right, it was a circle. I have a song for you about circles, and it goes like this. Round and round the circles go, no corners can you see. Like the sun and the full moon, we find them high and low. Okay, I'm going to move this over to the other part of our number corner so you can see it a little better. So come with me. And we are over here now. So yesterday we added a dot onto our 10 frame up here. We call it a 10 frame because how many squares does it have? 10, that's right. So we're going to add that on here. Help me count them. 1, 2. Show me 2 fingers. This is the correct way to do 2 fingers with your hand. Now, we're also going to keep track of the days using our, that's right, links. So we're going to attach that right here. Watch this. They go in together on those 2 places, just like that. And it starts a chain. And that's going to hang up here. He needs to fix that. That's a little floppy. So now I need to write the number 2. So, curve right around and slide to the right. And let's read the numbers on here. 1, 2. Show me with your fingers. That's right, 2 fingers. So another part of our number corner is this wonderful red pocket chart. This is the calendar collector. So each day during the week, we're going to spin a spinner that looks like this, and it has the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 on it. So Miss B's going to spin, and I always flick it with my finger, and it landed on our number today, 2. How awesome is that? So for this, I am, oh, Miss B, where'd you put them? Give Miss B a minute. sorry about that. I left it on my desk. So we're going to be using something called Unifix cubes. It's a cube shape because it has all flat sides all the way around. And it has 4 on this side and then 2 faces. And these have a little hole in them, and the back side is empty like this because it fits right on top like that. So I need to count out 2 Unifix cubes. So watch my hand. Count with me. 1, 2. So they are going to go in the pocket right here for week 1. I'm not going to put any numbers up here yet. We're going to wait till we finish the whole week and we will put them in there. All right. And we're going to do a song in just a few minutes. So that's our number corner for today, September 1st, 2020.